You can make $7 per one unit on autopilot if you sell books online with this side hustle. The erotic genre sells best, and it works better towards female audience. Guys, I did my research again, and today I want to share with you one more website which will allow you to turn your hobby into high profitable side income stream. Yes, it won't be easy, it will take some time and commitment, but if you are good at writing, you can even make thousands a month selling books online. It requires only your willingness to publish a couple of high-quality units and with little or knowledge to promote them on internet. In this way you'll be able to generate passive income on a consistent basis. Now I will show you the step-by-step process of what you need to do. But before we dive into our topic, please smash a sweet like button for today's video. I like sweet cakes, thanks. The site I wanna talk about today is called Kobo. The good thing about it, its availability in any country, so you can start publishing and selling books online today. Now what you're gonna do is go over to Google and type in writinglife.kobo.com. Click on this website and you'll be redirected to the process of registration. You know what to do. Just include your email, come up with a password, and after that you will have a quick access to the dashboard. This is how it looks like, the interface of this website once you signed in. Nothing crazy, nothing complicated, even the kids can do that. You are not exception. And now I want to show you how to publish your first ebook on this website. You can see this red icon, create new ebook. Just click on it. Well, here we are. Now we have to describe our book. Here we type in the ebook title, for example. Let's name it Love in Paris. Sounds nice and romantic. Ebook subtitle, as you can see, it is optional. Just leave it empty. Series name, also optional. We skip it. Authors. Here I recommend you to include your authentic or pen name. For example, let's type in John, strong and beautiful man. In the field of publisher name, let it be Hot Lifeguard. Of course, guys, I'm just kidding, but I'm just using it as an example. You have to include your real names. In the field of imprint, we leave it empty, because we are not super crazy publishers. The next we can see the question. Is it the first time you are publishing your book? Yes, we have to be honest. Click yes. After that, you'll be required to choose a cover for your book. Guys, keep in mind, it is very important. It has to be eye-catching. Otherwise, all your sales will suck. Beautiful cover is the secret to more sales. Just keep in mind. Oh, let's choose something random from my library. It will take a few seconds until your book cover uploads. Next, ISBN. It is optional, so leave it empty. Print ISBN. We skip it. The categories. This one is very important, so pick the topics of your book very carefully. And as you can see, the categories are divided into subcategories. Choose those which are more related to your book. The ebook language, English. Next question we have. We are asked if this content is a part of the public domain. We choose no. As far as I remember from my publishing experience, it means if the book was mentioned at any other resources on internet. So we choose no, because we are publishing for the first time. Now we have to choose a description. In short, this is a synopsis. Let's type something random, because this field is required. The next step is we have to upload our ebook. As you can see, the supported file types are EPUB, DOC, DOCX, MOBI. Unfortunately, no PDF format, but okay. Let's choose our book from our library and click upload. Make sure your book file isn't that heavy, otherwise it will take some time to process a file. Well, the next step we have rights and distribution. I would leave it as it is, but if you want you can play with these toggles. Apply digital management rights, okay, leave it on. Geographic distribution, you own the right in all territories, okay, turn it on. Maximize your sales. Available for Kobo Plus subscription. I'm not sure if it has a huge impact on our sales, but okay, you can turn it on. Last one is available for libraries in Overdrive. Okay, and this one we will turn on. We are almost there. Now we have to set the price for our book. Guys, keep in mind, whatever price you choose, your maximum royalty will be 70%. And as you can see below, there are countries with their own currencies automatically converted to our price. And the final step is to publish. Here you can choose the date. Now go over to your dashboard and click on the ebooks tab. As you can see, your book is available here, but it is still in progress. That's all what you have to do when it comes to publishing ebooks on Kobo. Guys, if you like this video, please let me know in the comments down below. Yes, I want more videos like this, because I want to know your opinion which content to make in the future. Now I highly recommend you to watch one of my previous videos on how to make money online. Before you go and watch it, make sure to hit the like for today's topic again and subscribe for more interesting content in the future.